P.L.A.N. Nigeria has unveiled a 16-member youth advisory panel that will help promote the change agenda of Nigeria. The country director of P.L.A.N. International Nigeria, Charles Usie, said the panel will engage its mother body in co-creating decision-making, policy development and project implementation. P.L.A.N. reports.
In the face of recent national and global realities, it is quite clear that the development of every nation depends significantly on its youth population, as young people are significant drivers of innovation and economic growth. They have a history of unlocking economic prosperity through creativity and innovation. With overwhelming challenges, they see opportunities and constantly demonstrate resilience. In order to thrive, young people require basic social structures that support their socio-economic well-being, such as access to quality education, healthcare, and security. P.L.A.N. International Nigeria is making young people, especially girls, its focus. This is because the female gender is the most vulnerable people in terms of development and social welfare.
Actually, a composition of young people across the 6 geopolitical zones. And the idea is that they bring the perspective of young people from those geopolitical zones into our programming, into our decision-making, and influence us in such a way that when we design programs and make decisions around resources, we must take into account the diversity of such responses across the different geopolitical zones. That's the reason why the panel was constituted like that, is to give voice and accommodate the diversity of how young people experience different things in Nigeria.
To curb the alarming loss of talent, it's asked that the government improve the living conditions of citizens, create more opportunities for young people, and strengthen structures and policies that amplify youth voices and enterprise.
Representation, I think, is very important. Persons with disabilities are not very much represented in a lot of communities. So I think I'll be speaking from a very diverse perspective and a very different perspective. So I intend to learn and just create impact by talking about the young people that are just like me, and hopefully we can make a change.
The Nigerian youth population is our most valuable resource. But for the country to reap this demographic dividend, she must live up to its obligations towards its citizens.
It is accurate to say that today's youth awareness level is high. Participating in politics further enrich their awareness level and bring new ideas for national development. P.L.A.N, TVC News, Abuja.